G'day. I recently put out a video where I included a graphic to show the tool nose radius compensation that you use manually on a lathe that doesn't have it automatically built in. So I thought I'd do another one, include an internal radius and a chamfer. Here you can see an external radius, and you can see the point there is because the point on the tool is actually there because that's what you get when you don't have the compensation built into your cam. So you have to create a false line for the point to follow to get the radius that you actually want. In the graphics, the required radius or line for the chamfer is in green, and the red line is the line that you have to create and make the tool follow to get what you actually want. You can see there on that, in the center of the chamfer, the offset is quite big. Basically, for an external, you add the radius of the tool to the radius you want to cut, and for an internal, you have to subtract it. If you imagine going up to a sharp corner, that radius is already there, so you have to subtract it from the radius that you want. This is a chamfer. I ordinarily use a 0.5mm chamfer on the parts I make, just to stop having sharp corners, and graphically to draw that in I have to use a 0.73 chamfer, and if I leave it at 0.5 the chamfer is almost not there, which is why I make them a little bit bigger to get what I want on the finished part. So I've put these graphics up on my Notewell Facebook page if you'd like a copy. Thank you for watching.